The center of the spotlight is 75 meters in front of the car, and the center of the astigmatism product light is 25 meters, so it has more safety reaction distance, ca of 15 meters. The more concentrated the product is, the darker area of the missing corner will appear when it is installed. It has no effect for driving. We should focus on the brightness of the headlights and be around of spotlight. Any bulb that fits into the lens has a cut line formed by the bevel. This is an 8 voltage current power. This is the H8 lens. 10 meters ahead, with light pattern, an illuminance meter is fixed with the tripod installed. The original halogen bulb's first wave power 50 watt, 100, and FO, right 8.3. Let's look at the center of light. Halogen light center below tangent. Standard light pattern is a little dark here because halogen lights have little flux. It's not obvious here. Install a single panel fit a center LED with astigmatism power 25 watt, 87.8 lux and halogen lights. The luminous flux is 3 to 5 times that of halogen lamps, but the highlight area not bright. This kind of bulb is to illuminate people, but not the road. The tangent is consistent, not within this highlighted bulb. So you move it to the L. Item map. The standard light type must be 4 areas and 8 points. The blue area is the third area, the white area is the first area, and it should be reduced as much as possible. Otherwise, the road surface will produce diffuse reflection. Dazzling the driver light. Paving should be left and right, not front and rear. Should be this blue area. 50 meters to 70 meters in the fourth zone. Lights should be paved here and there, not up and down. Otherwise, it is a vast expanse of light. Diffuse reflection from road to the driver is designed to change 42.9 watt, 481 luxt. Light center is very forward. This highlight area is very wide. Although it has a bit shadowy, but it has no effect on the driver because the light shines far away. Regardless of the length of the reflector, we can conclude that the more concentrated the product, the more forward the center of the light. The more diffuse the product, the further back the center of the light will be diffused. When the tangent height is the same, the spotlight headlights, the center of the light shines 75 meters in front of our car. Astigmatism products, the center of the light is back 25 meters in front of the car. Therefore, the light gathering products have better light patterns and safer drivers.